Hello everyone, parents, staff, teachers, and especially students. Welcome back to another school year at Colegio Panamericano. I am super excited that we're all together again. Happy New Year!
Querida familia panamericana y amigos de toda la vida, para nosotros es un verdadero honor estar acá en representación de los Seniors 2021-2022. Durante los últimos 14 años hemos tenido la dicha de compartir en el lugar que nos vio crecer, donde reímos, lloramos, triunfamos y perdimos, pero sobre todo donde aprendimos a ser felices. Hoy, llenos de emociones y nostalgia, comienza nuestra recta final. Es imposible dar inicio a esta ceremonia sin expresar un inmenso agradecimiento a los profesores y colaboradores del colegio que, más allá de enseñarnos matemáticas, historia e inglés, nos enseñan en cada una de sus clases a ser personas, a ser líderes íntegros y capaces de perseguir nuestros sueños con responsabilidad. A nuestros padres por darnos la oportunidad y el privilegio de hacer del Colegio Panamericano nuestro segundo hogar. A nuestros hermanos y familiares por ese constante apoyo y esa motivación a ser cada día mejor. A mis seniors solo me queda darles las gracias. A los que hicieron parte de nuestra niñez y los que llegaron hace poco. Cada uno con distintas pasiones, sueños y personalidades, pero todos parte de la misma familia. A los cantantes y los deportistas, quienes con cada una de sus personalidades hacen única la familia de los Seniors 2021 en su forma de ser. A los futuros seniors solo nos queda pedirles que disfruten cada día al máximo. En menos de lo que creen, serán ustedes los que tendrán una mezcla de emociones y sueños por cumplir. Después de 18 meses de virtualidad, incertidumbre y tristeza, en nombre de los Seniors 2021-2022, le damos la bienvenida nuevamente a la comunidad panamericana. Volvemos con más fuerza, amor, fe y esperanza. Y ahora a disfrutar, a perseguir los sueños y ser felices. Los amamos, seniors.
Good morning, respected teachers, administrator, parents, and amazing class of 2022. Welcome to our last school year. It was only yesterday when we were all walking to a school with our Barbie or Spider-Man lunchboxes and adorable cartoon things, while our parents were standing on the side of the classroom taking countless of pictures as we smiled and waved, or in other cases like mine, nervously bowed our heads down and cried as we entered the classroom, which seemed enormous at the time. The only worries in our minds were the lunch menu at school or the start time of the recess. Everything just seemed easier in those days, and it really was. Little did we know how much was ahead of us. Throughout these past years, I have seen us all discover and devote ourselves to our patience and grow immensely as a result. I'm very proud, convinced that among us, we have Colombia's future, but more importantly, we have amazing human beings. To our parents, thank you for choosing Colegio Panamericano, where we learned that falling isn't losing, but instead is an opportunity to get up and move on, to see ourselves as unique beings who value the difference of others, and that we are never alone because there are always generous hearts willing to give us a hand and help us discover our strengths. We have been taught to never give up and always walk with our heads held up high, with a firm step and with a wide smile. And it's now our turn to move forward, being a reflection of your effort and dedication. Dear teachers who have been with us all these years, those who left and those who followed, thank you for all your teachings, especially those that were not written in the plans, but those that you gave with your example. Those lessons are the ones that remained engraved in our minds and in our hearts. Thank you for all your sacrifices and always being your best. And finally, to my seniors, thank you for the laughter and the moments lived, for sharing the road, the integraciones, the tears, the endless fights, the memes, and all the craziness that placed the real meaning behind the saying through thick and thin. We will never forget Pyra's football club, Ivana's phone ringing in the middle of class with Baby by Justin Bieber as a ringtone, Tapia's love to affirmations to a different girl every week, Tatan singing, the iconic rap battles, the hair salon, and thinking I will finally see Manuel every single day at school, but it's been a week and I've only seen him once. All of those memories and many more I could forever name make us who we are. Seniors, hold on to every last second of this year Do the things that scare you the most and those that drive you insane. Live this moment and remember this is our last chance to be teenagers. We love you, and wherever you go, go with all your heart. Welcome, Seniors 2022.